Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So on the weekend we talked about short-term intraday bullish setup and have decided that theoretically it could be tried, so because actually we still had at that moment bullish context but nothing else for trading were present in. So that's why we just take a look at it and decided that theoretically it might be used for taking the position. But our happiness lasts not too long. Although we've got healthy upside bounce there, the celebration has been over really fast. And currently, I have a bit bearish view on euro currency by the two reasons. Mostly it relates to dollar. First of all, from the technical point of view, the breakout of this important level, it could mean something, and it means that, as we said, we probably will increase the scale of the picture, and now we should keep an eye on a possible deeper retracement on the euro currency. Second is a more important reason. I would say it's a primary reason. Those of you who read our Telegram channel probably know that in the United States, the strike of the cargo workers in all ports have started across the country. This involves 45,000 workers. So in the seaports, they demand increasing of the wage for 77%. This is huge spending. But the major problem is not even with this wage, although it's potentially very inflationary, but the problem is in cargo shipping. The logistics in the United States right now are crushed. So it will be absolutely outstanding, amazing losses of this strike, and actually we just can't imagine the scale what will happen. It's not only some ordinary public goods. This is also the Pentagon, cargos and all other stuff. So it could make even a political impact. And currently in the United States, everybody have forgotten about the elections. So all eyes right now on this strike, and this might really be extremely decisive and could make really huge impact on the performance of the markets and in general in the economy in the United States. This is really very important. So it is impossible to overestimate this. Is actually, you will see. From that standpoint of view, I suppose that actually recent euro failure to keep going higher mostly relates to demand for the dollar. It's a Middle East conflict as well. It's actually shows some escalation once again. All the stuff together supports dollar. It's not because of the euro. Just news have been released in most bad moments, called this way, and that hasn't led market to keep this bullish context and show the upper continuation. So currently we have downside reversal here. Trend has turned bearish, and it means that we do not have the bullish context right now. We're not considering taking new longs, although on the weekly chart trend remains bullish, but this is weekly chart, and on a daily turn we could suggest deeper retracement. So that's what we will keep an eye on here. Be prepared for possible big volatility, because on this subject of this strike, I think every hour will be some news, updates. So this really could bring some choppiness on the market. On the 4 time frame chart, what we have? Downside breakout of this level that we initially were considering, where theoretically we thought it should be upper direction, and indeed we've got this upper direction, and it was really good, but it was very short term, and once news had been released, everything had collapsed. Flag has been broken down. Currently it looks like the Gartley's triple 2. buy, but due to the mentioned circumstances, I'm not sure and actually not believe too much that this will be reversal pattern. More probable that this butterfly slowly, triple two slowly will turn to the butterfly with the deep downside retracement. It seems for me so. Here, the last near standing support is 1080, approximately 618 support. Now on the hourly chart we have downside ABCD pattern. Since market stands as a godly steeple to target, we could consider some pullback somewhere around to 111.40 area. This is the 30% level, but what is more important that this is previous support, very strong support. And now it will become the resistance. And from that standpoint of view, that might be interesting to watch for. Next downside target stands around 1058, and this target agrees, some small difference, 20 pips, with this fib support. So here we will get this agreement support, and that's next level to watch for. If they somehow will resolve this strike really fast, this maybe will be enough, and we could keep an eye on this level, see what will happen. Maybe sentiment will start changing. If not, then probably here we could get some technical bounce. Now I wouldn't consider taking any longs position by far. So, and theoretical, we could wait for some minor bounce reaction on the 222. It's possible considering taking the short position with the possible downward continuation. So that's how it seems to me.